Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove rotoscope filter from a video. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply go to Play Store, and from here you have to download PixArt. So here you can see I have already downloaded, so you have to open it. So guys, then tap on plus icon here, and then you have to select that video from you want to remove rotoscope filter. Here's the video guys. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on adjust, and you have to set brightness on 30, and then you have to set contrast on -30, and saturation you have to set on 20, and then hue you have to select on -150, and highlights then you have to select on 20, then shadow you have to select on -20, then temperature you have to set on -15, and then tap on yes. And from here what you have to do is just simply tap on effects. So you have to select DTN5 from here, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.